Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna head out this morning. I'm gonna stay in the neighborhood. I'm not exactly sure. There's Wolf Creek up here, which runs under, and it's got some really pretty goldenrod under it, or along it. And it points right to the sunrise. I think that one could be pretty good. I'm thinking also about running up a hog pen. I've been up on hog pen before at the top, and it's just covered in a line of clouds. And when the sun hits it first thing in the morning, it just, all these like God rays come through, and it was probably one of the most incredible scenes I've ever been in. It was really neat. But I don't know if there's clouds up there or not, and I don't have a lot of time, so I might just run down here on the creek and see what we got. One thing for anyone who's starting out in photography, maybe the only thing you might need to think about is how much you like sleep, because you don't get any. There's some fog out this morning. You get that nice early light with dew on the grasses and flowers and stuff. It's really pretty. So here's Wolf Creek, and you can see the fog over here was just pretty heavy, but it's kind of drifting away, which I kind of wish it'd stick around, but it would block the sun, so I need the sun to kind of come through here. But aligning this creek here is all this yellow goldenrod, and it kind of leads out, and the sun is going to come up just up in here. So I might take the drone up and get some shots. Looks kind of promising. I think I might ride up hog pen. I think it's about maxed out here. I'm gonna ride up there and see if it's in the clouds, and maybe get some of those God rays coming through, some of the early morning sun. So anyway, let's pack up and head out. Well, I'm headed up Richard Russell. It does look kind of clean up top. I didn't actually see Hogpen Gap, but I saw a mountain or two next to it, and they were pretty clear. So, not real good news, but we're still going to give it a shot. We're going to head up the mountain. It's beautiful from up there anyway. So, let's ride these curvy roads, and we'll see you up top. Actually, there's really good light here on Hogpen. I'm gonna hurry up and get set up and bring you guys in back in a second. Yeah, it's really pretty. What I got right now is there's a thin line of just the tops of the trees on that first ridge right there is kind of catching light, and there's another little bit of where the ridge kind of goes and comes down and goes out again. It's catching some light. And Brasstown Bald way in the back is all catching light. So all these ridges are catching light, and it's kind of pretty. Not a lot of color, but the light's okay. So we're gonna give it a shot and see how it turns out. I think we about got the most out of this spot right now. The light's kind of getting a little bit too bright. I'm gonna head down. There's a beaver dam down there that's kind of been broken up, and it's got a lot of wildflowers around it. It looks really pretty. Might be too late in the day now, but we're gonna go down and give it a shot. If it doesn't pan out, this might be the end of the video. If so, I really appreciate you guys taking the time of your day and watching it. I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I'm going to try to get better with each one. But yeah, there's just so many pretty things out there. The light didn't super cooperate today, but it was still pretty. I'm glad I got out. And anyway, let's head down there, and we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. As you can see, this place is overgrown a little bit. All these weeds are pretty, but they're just too high. There's just no vantage point that I could get above them. So, but as you can see, all these white tops they're really pretty. But this is an old beaver dam that they kind of took out. So all this used to be flooded, and got these dead trees right here behind me. They're really pretty. You got some light kind of cracking through where the creek goes into. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of bring you guys back and say thanks again for watching Appalachian Apertures. Chris and I are really having a good time doing all these episodes. I know I want to get better and putting these together. Today was a little fast, and there was someone up at the top of Hog Pen, so I just felt weird talking to a camera with someone there. Anyhow, but anyway, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.